And how about this? I'm gonna give you guys a challenge. This is gonna be a very hard one because I've only hit 300 likes in I think 2 of my videos. So if I get 300 likes in this video, and I know this is gonna be hard, I'll show you guys how much money I made in 1 year doing day trades and swing trades in the stock market. What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and today I'm making a video that has been long overdue. Around 2 weeks ago I made a video titled How to Day Trade Swing Trade in the Stock Market in 2019, and in that video I asked you guys to give me 150 likes and I'll make a video on the profits that I made in the stock market in the past 3 months. So this video has exactly 150 likes right now, so thank you guys for that. And if you guys want to check it out, you could click the link right here and you guys could learn how I did some day trades, swing trades in the stock market. Well, like promised, here's the video on how much money I made in the stock market in the past 3 months. So I'm going to read over each company. Some of my profits were in Canadian dollars and the rest were in American dollars. I'm going to read them all over, and then at the end of the video I will do a conversion rate and add everything up, and I'll have the total amount that I've made day trading, swing trading in the stock market in the past 3 months. Also, like expected, the majority of my profits have come from the marijuana industry. On top of that, there were some companies that I could have and should have made more money, but sometimes I sold shares at a loss to avoid holding onto companies that were declining, so the profits on certain companies are not as much as I would have liked them to be, but at the end of the day, profits profit. Sometimes you have to know when to collect profits, whether it's with some gains or at a loss, and move on to your next trade. Well, without further ado, here are the profits that I made in the past 3 months in the stock market. So right here I have the realized gains and losses from the past 3 months. So I'm going to read over every company one by one. So let's get started. So of course the first company, you guys can guess, Aurora Cannabis. So Aurora Cannabis, I have a book value of $40,640 and a settlement amount of $46,344. It does not mean that I had that total amount of money in this company at once. It just means that I've bought and sold, and the total book value, which is the total money that I've spent, and the total settlement amount is what I've ended up making, which totaled to an amount of $5,703.97. So let's move on to the next company, which is Apria. Apria, I have a book value of $7,885.60 and a settlement amount of $11,136.26. I made a total of $3,250.66 with Apria in the past 3 months. Next company is Cron. Book value $14,070.15. Settlement amount is $14,886.05, and I made a total of $815.90, which isn't a lot. So Hempco, Hempco, I made a total of $105 in Canadian dollars. I had a book value of $100,805, settlement amount of $1,910. So next company, Hexo. So Hexo, I've done a lot of swing trades with Hexo, but as you can see, I did not make a lot of money with Hexo. At one point I did take a small loss with Hexo because sometimes you gotta know when to cut losses. So I would have made more money with them, but since I did take that one loss in the end, it brought my profits down to $704.32. My book value is with $29,970 and my settlement amount is $30,674. That's for Hexo. Next company, Namaste. So I actually did pretty well with Namaste, pretty much almost doubled my money. Book value $2,579 and settlement amount $4,801 with a total profit of $2,221.04. Next company, T-God, the Green Organic Dutchman. I actually with this company I would have made more money as well, but I had to take a nice little loss, which did bring my profits down to $122.91. Book value $7,696.61. Settlement amount $7,819.52. Next company, Canopy Growth. I did make a lot more money with Canopy, but I guess it's only showing the past 3 months, because I did make, I think, over 5-6 grand with Canopy in the past, well, over 3 months. So I have total of $2,574.77 with Canopy, book value of $12,900, settlement amount $15,500. I'm just gonna round it out just to make this quicker. And then next company is Oxley XLY, which I only profited $40 from 3,574, and Oxley, I have a settlement amount 3,615. I'm pretty sure I had to take a small loss with Oxley at one point, which decreased my profits to $40, but that's fine. And now we're moving on to my American companies, which I did make a lot less money with my American companies versus my Canadians. Thanks to the marijuana industry, I did kill it on the Canadian side. So Alibaba only made $29.52. Yeah, that's not much. Book value 3,529, settlement 3,559. But all these numbers add up though. Even if they're small amounts, they add up. A trade's a trade, a win's a win. Green is green. So $62.71 with Turtle Beach. That's a $3,730 book value. Settlement amount $3,793. I'm pretty sure I did have to take a loss at one point, which did decrease my profits with Turtle Beach. Another company, Planet 13, which I did do pretty decent, $273.21. And what a surprise, it is a marijuana company, and it's probably my best winner on the American side. So I had a settlement amount of $2,463, book value of $2,736. Moving on to Tilray, $148.29, book value $2,566, settlement $2,714. And now for Canopy Growth, this was actually a mistake. I accidentally purchased Canopy Growth, the Canadian company, on the American side. So I tried to sell off as soon as I saw profit, and I only made $16. And then another company was Walmart. Walmart, $93.75. That was my profit. And settlement, book value $8,662, settlement $8,756. And last but not least, actually last but very least, was Wynn Resorts. I made a small $4.92, and my book value was $4,255. $4,260 was my settlement value. This was pretty much a company that I did not feel comfortable holding, and the moment I saw that I could make my money back, I pretty much sold it instantly. I just didn't want to hold it, and you can see why. Wynn Resorts has been on a downfall in the past who knows how long. So yeah, those are all my companies, those are all my gains from the past 3 months, and now I'm going to add them all up. First I'm going to do the Canadian side, then I'm going to do the American side, and I'm going to do the conversion rate for the American side because I do live in Canada, and then I'll give you guys my total as to how much money I made in the past 3 months in the stock market. Okay, so right here I have a calculator, right here I have my charts. I'm going to do the math. I'm going to add all the realized gains and losses right here. So we're going to start off with the Canadian companies. So we're going to start off with Aurora at $5,703.97, plus Apria at $3,250.66, plus Cron, which is at $815.90, plus Hemco, which is at $105.01. I really hope I don't mess up because I don't want to start all over again. Plus Hexo at $704.32, plus Namaste at $2,221.04, plus Green Organic Dutchman. I should have made a lot more money off this company, but I had to take a loss at one point, but that's fine. Plus Canopy Growth, $2,574.77. I'm surprised I made more with Apria than I did with Canopy, but I guess it's because it's not counting, it's only counting the last 3 months, not the time prior to that. So and then my last but not least, Oxley, which is only $40. So on my Canadian side, I made a total of $15,538.60. I'm gonna write that somewhere so we don't forget. Well, I guess we can't forget it because this is being recorded, but I don't want to forget. So $15,538.60. And if I made a mistake, you guys can leave that on the comment section. And now we're going to do the American side, which shouldn't be that hard because I did not make that much money on my American portfolio. So $40.02 plus $29.52 plus $62.71 plus $273.21 plus $148.29 plus $16.46 plus $93. So even though these are all such small amount of gains, they all add up, because you're gonna see already I have $4.92. That's a total of $668. It was all small amount of gains, but it all added up to $668. So now I hope I don't open something crazy. Nope, that's fine. So now we're gonna go on Google American dollar, and we're gonna find out how much the conversion rate is right now. So right here we have the conversion rate. So 1 Canadian dollar in American dollars is 1.33. So we have this amount of money right here plus one, oh my god, let's do -1 to take that one away. So times 1.33. So that's the total that I have in Canadian dollars, and then we gotta write down plus my previous amount for my Canadian portfolio, so $15,538.60, which gives me a total of $16,428.21 that I've made in the past 3 months. And we can divide that by 3, and that's how much money I'm making monthly. $5,476 swing trading, which I would say is pretty good, because that's a lot of people have a $4,000, $5,000, $3,000 salary per month. Some people make $2,000, $3,000 a month. And let's keep in mind, I have 5 incomes, so one of my 5 incomes is making $5,476 each month. My goal one day for the future is to be making at least 5 figures each month. It would be nice to be making 10 grand each month, but that's a lot of money, and swing trading is very risky. Sometimes you got to take losses, sometimes you have bad months. The past 3 months have been really good for me because I've been collecting a lot of the money that I made in the marijuana industry. But yeah, 5,476 is not bad, but to get it up to 5 figures every month, I would have to make a minimum of $334 every day, which is hard. It's hard to stay consistent. But there you have it, guys. The total amount of money I made in the past 3 months, $16,428.21. That's how much money I made in the last 3 months, day trading, swing trading. I'll show you guys one more time right here. All the companies you have: Aurora, Apria, Kronos, Hemco, Hexo, Namaste, Green Organic, Dutchman, Canopy, Oxley, Alibaba, Turtle Beach, Planet 13, Tilray, Canopy, Walmart, and Win. And keep in mind, I could have made a lot more money. I could have collected a lot more profits. Aurora Cannabis, I could have made like 20,000, but I didn't collect all my profits. Canopy, I could have made a lot more money, but I sold a bit too early, and I didn't collect my profits in the last bit when I was up 100%. Same with Namaste, same with all these companies. I could have made a lot more money, but I'm not complaining. I still made over 5 grand every month swing trading. So you live and you learn, and there's nothing wrong with making money as long as you're not losing it. As long as I'm not losing money, I can't really complain. But that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. And how about this? I'm gonna give you guys a challenge. This is gonna be a very hard one because I've only hit 300 likes in I think 2 of my videos. So if I get 300 likes in this video, and I know this is gonna be hard, I'll show you guys how much money I made in 1 year doing day trades and swing trades in the stock market in 1 year. So at the end of the year, I'll show you guys how much money I made this full year. 300 likes. I know that's asking for a lot, because I'll be providing a lot. That's pretty much giving you guys my whole portfolio, letting you guys know everything that I've traded in the past year. So it's up to you guys. Give me a thumbs up. 300 likes. I'll give you guys exactly what you want to see. Bye bye.